Hi, I'm Vasilis and I'm going to briefly introduce how to write a data management plan, or sometimes known as a DMP for short, as a part of a grant application. Important to note here is that writing the DMP is only the first part of the data activities and documentation in a grant application. The DMP should be working document and not written and then no longer used. This is the first part of a series of RDMbites that will assist you in the development of a DMP for your grant application. So, by the end of this video, you will know the basic structure of a DMP. Before we start talking about its structure, let's see what a DMP is and why it is so important. A data management plan is a formal document that provides a framework for how to handle the raw and processed data material during and after the research project. Its importance lies in the fact that it comprises a vital component of a good data management strategy that considers technical, organizational, structural, legal, ethical, and sustainability aspects. A good DMP provides valuable details such as how the data and the metadata will be preserved for the long term, how and where the researcher will make the data available for sharing, and whether reuse of the data, including derivatives, will be allowed. Although I'm taking you through documents in these videos, you may also consider using a DMP tool such as Data Stewardship or DMP Online to write and manage your DMP that I'll mention in a minute. Funders will often have their own standards DMP template, ranging from a half-page description to pages with structured questions. So, in this video, I will take some of the common questions from the MRC, BBSRC, and NERC forms and show how we would answer this. The good part is that even if there are different sections and subsections between the forms, the general idea remains the same. Based on that, the Data Stewardship Wizard provides a brilliantly simple way to create the DMP for your funding organization by filling out a questionnaire in a smart way. From now on, we will use as an example an RNA-seq study with around 10 samples and some human clinical data to go through, all the sections and subsections, and we will discuss the differences and similarities between the templates. So, a DMP form starts with the title of the proposal and ends with the author's information. In the main body of the form, you may encounter some of all of the following 10 main sections. Which of these appear depends on the template that you are using, but they are based on the templates from BBSRC, MRC, and NERC. We will use these headings for the following RDMbites. So, that was the first part of our DMBite series of things to consider when writing a DMP. Please see the links mentioned as well as links to additional resources alongside this video.